Seventh one, if the sum of all angles except one of a convex polygon, it is 2190 degrees. Number of sides of the polygon must be. Very, very good question, sir. It is 13. Next is 15. 15. Next will be 17. Next will be 19. Next will be 21. 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. If the sum of all the angles except one of a convex polygon is 2190 degrees, number of sides of the polygon must be. Whenever you are solving a question, ensure that you go step by step. Sum of all interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. n minus 2 into 180. Except 1, I don't know, so it is minus x. It is nothing but 2190 degrees. Because it is a convex polygon, x should lie from 0 to 180. I hope it is clear. X should lie from 0 to 180. I hope this equation is clear. n minus 2 into 180 minus x is 2190. Sum of all angles except one in a convex polygon. All angles is n minus 2 into 180 except 1 is minus x. Total is 2190. Now we will apply digital sum. 180 digital sum is 9. 9 minus something is 9. This is nothing but 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 9 12. 12 is 3. So this is nothing but digital sum should be 6. First key point. Second, this is divisible by 10. 180 is divisible by 10. 2190 is also divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. This should be divisible by 10. So here 0 will come. Now if you see here 60 means this could be 60, or it could be 150, or it could be 240, or it could be 330 and so on. But because it is a convex polygon, angle will lie from 0 to 180. So this is not possible. This is also not possible because 180 is divisible by 4, 60 is divisible by 4, 90 is not divisible by 4. 180 is divisible by 4, 60 is divisible by 4, 90 is not divisible by 4. So what is the only answer? 150. Very logically you can solve it. So n minus 2 into 180 minus 150, which is nothing but 2190. n minus 2 into 180, which is nothing but 2340. 0 cancel. 9 2s are 9 26s are. 2 1s are 2 13s are. n minus 2 is 13. n is 15. Please make a star mark on this question.